combine now. I'm riding around with Rod, and he's showing me how to cut wheat all over again. So that's the header and the reel and the platform I was telling you about earlier that's 30 feet across. So the reel's that black thing that's going around and around, knocking the wheat down into the platform, and that auger you see spinning around real fast takes all the wheat and straw into the center of the combine right there, then it shoves it on up into the machine where it's actually thrashed. So Rod sits up here all day thinking about beer.
Wishing I had one in my hand.
Wishing he had one. We had to wait till midnight for that. All sorts of gauges and stuff. So Rod actually runs the header up and down by that lever over there on his right hand. He controls the speed, the up and down of the reel, a lot of other things right there with one hand. So at the end of the day, after you shut down and you close your eyes, you still see that going around and around. Now we got a full load, now we're unloading. So all the grain goes back into that bin. We can get 250 bushels of wheat back there. And that's a fairly large load.